Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will cover how to install and complete the onboarding process for Ultimate Security, using two different methods to get your website protected. Before we dive into the installation steps, let's talk about why securing your site with Ultimate Security is important. Your website faces automated threats every single day. By installing this plugin, you are actively introducing robust login protection, advanced bot mitigation to block malicious traffic, and strong brute force protection to prevent unauthorized access. It works as an all-in-one security shield, keeping your dashboard, your data, and your users completely safe without slowing down your site. To get started with this tutorial, make sure you have your WordPress dashboard open and ready. Let's walk through the first method, installing directly from the WordPress repository. Take a look at the left-hand admin menu on your screen. We need to navigate to the plugins section. Move to the plugins menu item. When you hover over it, a submenu will expand. Go ahead and click on Add Plugin. Once the page loads, you'll see the official WordPress plugin directory right inside your dashboard. This area features popular, recommended, and featured extensions. To find our plugin, let's move over to the top right corner of this section where the search bar is located. Click inside the box labeled Search Plugins. Now, carefully type out the keyword WP Ultimate Security. Make sure you type it co-jointly, just like it is shown on the video. As you can see, the search result has populated. Here is Ultimate Security. Take a moment to look at the details listed here. This plugin blocks hackers, bots, and brute force attacks using two-factor authentication, advanced login protection, and session controls. Now, let's begin the installation. Click on the Install Now button. You will notice the button text changes to Installing. WordPress is currently downloading the plugin files from the repository and unpacking them into your website's directory. The installation is complete, and the button has now updated to Activate. To turn on the plugin and start using its features, we need to click Activate. Once activated, the system automatically redirects you to the main Ultimate Security dashboard. Instantly, a welcoming onboarding pop-up appears on your screen. This setup wizard is designed to guide you through a quick configuration process so that you aren't overwhelmed by advanced settings right away. The message states that our goal is to provide you with an all-in-one security tool that covers all the security needs of your WordPress site. Notice the progress steps at the bottom of the text card, numbers 1, 2, and 3. To move forward, let's hover over the next button and click it. This brings us to step 2 of the onboarding process. The modal updates with a brief message. It's a great reminder that this plugin is actively maintained and built with care. Let's click Next to move to the final step. Now we are on step 3, which is incredibly important, so let's pause here to explain what this does. The title reads Just as an Emergency. Because website security can sometimes lock you out if you lose your credentials or change your login URL, we have built an absolute safety net for you. This step generates a dedicated emergency deactivation link unique to your site. Scenarios where you might need this include forgetting your redirected login URL, losing your two-factor authentication email or app access, or accidentally restricting your own IP address. In the box below, you can see a special URL containing a long, secure security key. If you ever get locked out, entering this exact URL into your browser will temporarily bypass and deactivate the security features so you can regain access safely. We recommend copying this link and saving it in a secure text file or password manager. Once you have safely noted this information, look at the bottom and let's click on the Finish button to conclude the wizard. A secondary confirmation pop-up appears immediately. It reads that we recommend you copy the deactivation URL. Once dismissed, this welcome wizard won't appear again. However, you can get the emergency deactivation link later from the security settings. Since we understand how it works, let's click it to the Finish button. Now, the onboarding wizard closes, and you are now looking at the fully functional Ultimate Security dashboard. Take a moment to look around. You can see your overall security level, the security wizard notice at the top, a breakdown of your site health, and the file integrity scanner panel. This dashboard gives you actionable insights at a single glance. To know about the complete walkthrough of the dashboard, check out the description box for the detailed video link. Now that we've seen the automated dashboard method, let's explore the second way to install the plugin, the manual upload method. This is perfect if you like to keep an offline backup of your plugin files or if you are managing installations across multiple sites. For our second method, we will download the latest official plugin file directly from the source. Open a new tab in your browser and visit wpultimatesecurity.com. As you can see on the homepage, it highlights key features like protection from brute force attacks, unauthorized access, and automated bots. To download the plugin, look at the top right corner of the page and click Get Started. When you click on it, your browser instantly triggers a download package directly from our server. Once the download is finished, you will have a compressed file labeled with the plugin name and version number in your default downloads folder. Do not extract or unzip this file. WordPress requires it to remain in its zip format for a manual upload. Let's head back over to our WordPress dashboard to upload it. Now back inside the WordPress admin dashboard, just like we did in the first method, look at the left sidebar menu, then hover over the plugins item and click on Add Plugin. This brings us back to the plugin directory page. However, instead of using the search box on the right, click on that Upload plugin. By clicking that button, you expand a new section. Here's a configuration area featuring a Choose File button. Let's click on it. This opens up your computer's native file selection window. Navigate to the specific directory where your browser saves downloaded items and select it. Now click on Install Now to begin. WordPress now takes over and displays the installation status log on your screen. Once installed, click on the Activate Plugin button. The dashboard updates immediately, bringing you right back into the main Ultimate Security dashboard. Just like before, because this is a fresh manual activation, the primary onboarding setup wizard appears automatically to ensure your site is configured perfectly. Let's quickly review these steps once more. You are ready to start scanning for vulnerabilities, enforcing strong password rules, set up 2FA, and many more. Download Ultimate Security and shield your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next videos where we will break down individual security modules to optimize your protection even further.